Sometimes you may end up in places you could have never imagined you were going to be, and those opportunities have opened for me with Hobby Lobby, and I know they can for you as well. I came on board as a co-manager. When I came on board, I really wasn't looking to leave my last company that I was with for 15 years, but I did take that leap of faith. A recruiter reached out to me, spoke with them, then I had an interview with 2 recruiters, and at that time, one of them was the director of the recruiting department. When I left that interview, there was just something that I knew Hobby Lobby was for me. So I was ready to leave my company that I had been with for 15 years. I was in that co-manager position for right about a year and got promoted to a store manager. And I started in Kansas City. And from there, in 2011, the director of recruiting had called and asked me if I would like to come down and interview with him in Oklahoma for a management recruiting position. When I got promoted into the recruiting department, I was the 9th recruiter that was brought into the company. And to this day, there are 17 recruiters. So that just goes to show the opportunities and the growth that we have within Hobby Lobby. So for the last 8 years, I have been working in the management recruiting department, and I got another call where another opportunity came knocking, and I got asked if I would like to join Management Ministries. And so I flew to Oklahoma again, and I interviewed with the vice president of the company, and again, those doors opened up, and I took the job of an assistant director of Management Ministries. So with my journey with Hobby Lobby, whenever there was a knock at the door, I did not have that feeling that, yes, I was going to take this opportunity. From the moment that I got the call from the recruiter to meet for an interview, it wasn't, yes, I'm going to take this job, because I didn't want to really leave the job that I had been so passionate about for the last 15 years. But again, when I got in that interview, I learned about Hobby Lobby, the culture, the people that I would be working with and for. I knew that I needed to take that leap of faith. That door knocked again in 2011 when I was approached by the director of recruiting. And again, when I went to Oklahoma, it was, no, I'm not doing this. I love the stores. I want to be a district manager one day. And again, being in that room with that director of recruiting, knowing, you know what, there's a reason why I have this knock at the door, and I need to take this leap of faith. So again, I opened that door and I took it. Then recently, when that knock came again at that door, it was, no way, I love the recruiting department. This is me. I'm where I'm supposed to be. And it just kept knocking. I kept saying, no, this isn't me. I'm not qualified to do that job. And the company knew I wasn't qualified to do that job, but they know that that's where my heart would be. I'm very blessed for this opportunity. So let me ask you, when that opportunity knocks, are you going to open that door?